In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change LinkedIn status to open to work. If you're currently job searching or even just open to hearing about new opportunities, updating this setting on LinkedIn can help make that visible to the right people. It's a simple feature, and once you know where to find it, it only takes a minute to set up. Start by going to LinkedIn and making sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click on Me. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal profile and settings. From that menu, select View Profile. This takes you directly to your profile page, where you can manage how your professional information appears to others. Once you're on your profile, look for the Open to button. It's usually located near the top section of your profile, around your profile photo and headline area. Click that button to open the available options. Next, choose Finding a New Job. This is the option that lets you tell LinkedIn what kind of opportunities you're interested in. After selecting it, LinkedIn will guide you through a few fields that help shape your preferences. Now enter the details of the work you're open to. This can include things like job titles you want, the locations you're considering, your possible start date, and the type of employment you're looking for, such as full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, or internship roles. Take a moment to fill this out carefully, because the more accurately you define your preferences, the better LinkedIn can match you with relevant opportunities. You'll also see an option that lets you choose who can see that you're open to work. You can choose to show all LinkedIn members or recruiters only. If you select all LinkedIn members, LinkedIn will automatically add the Open to Work frame around your profile photo. This makes your status more visible across the platform, which can be helpful if you want to signal openly that you're available. If you'd prefer a more private approach, you can choose recruiters only instead. But if your goal is broader visibility, go ahead and select all LinkedIn members. Once everything looks right, click Save, and that's it. Your Open to Work status is now updated on LinkedIn. That's all.